Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a full factory restore reset on any Acer laptop computer. This particular model is an Aspire 1, but again, it'll work with any Acer Windows 10, 11, 8 laptop. I'm going to show you three different methods. The first is going to be directly from the login menu where you would log into Windows. Second one will be if you're inside of Windows, you're on the home screen. And the third one would be like if the computer's shut off and you want to hard reset it. So to do it directly from the login screen, what you're going to do is you see here, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the shift key. And right here's the shift key. That's what it looks like. And then what you're going to do, while you're holding down the shift key, you're going to hover over the power button and you might have to click on it. And when you click on it, it'll have an option to restart. Go ahead and click restart as you're pressing down on the shift key. Okay, and then that may restart it. And what it's going to do is going to take you to this menu here. And it's going to say choose the option on the very top. It's like a blue screen. And it's going to give you all these different options. What you're going to do is you're going to click on troubleshoot. And then from troubleshoot, you're going to click on reset this PC. And then this gives you an option to keep your files, like if you wanted to reset everything and then have like a little folder with your information on there. Or you could just remove everything, and what that will do is it will put it back to factory resettings to like you got it out of the box. It won't wipe Windows. It'll be like it's brand new again. So what you would do is you choose remove everything, and then it would take about 40 minutes to 45 minutes. Make sure you do have it plugged in. All right, now if you want to do it directly from the Windows, like if say you're inside Windows, what you're going to want to do is go to the very left corner here where it's got the Windows icon, this little screen here. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that, which is the start menu, and then you're going to go to System, which will be over here on the left, and then from System on the left menu you'll select Recovery. And then you'll click on Reset PC. And so it'll take you back to this screen here where you can remove everything and all that. Now, if you are on this screen as well, you could try hovering over the power like we did at the beginning and hold the shift key and do it from here. It should let you do it from there as well. So that's like a third option. Now the fourth option is like a hard reset where the computer's completely turned off. It's pitch black. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, when you start up the computer, you're going to tap F10 like crazy. Tap, 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 multiple times. And then that should take you back to this menu, right? If that doesn't work for whatever reason, turn it off. Try it again. Maybe hold it down one time. Maybe just keep hitting it again. So if for whatever reason one of these options doesn't work, it may be that your hard drive is corrupted. And you may need to install another operating system, or your SSD card's bad, or your SATA hard drive is bad. It could be either or. But hopefully that will solve your problem. And do make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.